Hello everyone, I'm Anita, founder of Ayura and your bio coach. Confused? Don't be. Today I'm here to tell you about my new baby, the Ayura's prebiotic range. But before we get into it, I want to tell you what this new fad about prebiotics and probiotics is all about. So let's dive into the world of microbiome. Let me tell you about pre and probiotics and 5 solid reasons why your skin needs it right now. Just kidding. But the faster you do it, the sooner your skin will tell you, hey, best friend from childhood, it's so good to see you again. So, what are prebiotics and probiotics? Probiotics are those organisms that live in your gut. They are rich, nourishing, and they are got from kefir, yogurt, miso, and all these fermented foods. So, what is prebiotic? Prebiotic is the food for the probiotic. So, if I say that probiotics is the plant, then prebiotics is the soil that goes into the plant. Prebiotics are found in various things like your sugarcane, sugar beet, a lot of natural sucrose, maltose, etc. Together, they are your best friends, your fam. Just like we have the day and the night, the sun and the moon, the yin and the yang, they bring a certain balance in your life. But when things aren't balanced and you're not in touch with your best friends, we've all seen what can potentially happen to all of us. Time for the countdown. We have billions of good and bad bacteria on our skin. Just cause you can't see them does not mean they don't exist. This entire ecosystem is known as the skin flora or your microbiome. You obviously don't need the bad guys in your life and all that drama. You need the good guys. And once you have them, trust me, you don't want to let them go. Number 4. Chemically infused product with a whole lot of chemicals strip your skin of not only the bad but also the good bacteria. The good, the bad. I mean, they don't know the differentiation, so they just get it all out. So it's time to put all of that aside. Number 3. If you do not have that good for you bacteria on your skin, there's going to be an imbalance, and which is going to lead to things like acne, dryness, and other skin infections. And what's the end result? You'll end up spending more money to cure those ailments which have been created because of those skin products that you've used, and you'll apply more products than what you did. It's like a never-ending cycle. Our skin's microbiome and immune system constantly hang out with each other. They are more connected than what we had previously thought. What we eat not only reflects on our skin, but the way our skin feels also makes our immune system behave in a certain way. You don't blame them, right? I mean, best friends always have each other's back. Inherently, your skin's good bacteria in the microbiome acts as the first line of defense against the bad bacteria. They are like the frontliners protecting us all the time. So they have you covered irrespective of whether of any problem that you're going through, like your too sunny days or too much humidity or too much pollution, new city, all of that. It's just got you covered. Those were my 5 solid and scientifically backed reasons to believe in this new era of pre and probiotics. So don't go on my gut, go on yours. Believe in your gut, believe in nature backed science. I believe in the balance of things. I believe in the yin and yang of things. I believe in listening to your body from the inside as well as from the outside. A new range of prebiotic products, skincare products from Ayura does just that. It's that new girl in town. Won't you make her feel welcome? Visit us on www.ayuraindia.com. This is Anita signing off. Till we meet again, Have a peaceful, balanced, and a mindful day ahead. Bye bye.